I just cleaned this up a little bit before I realized I was gonna do this clean with me, so this looks much better. That's as good as it's gonna get right now. I've got backpacks. I have stuff from the overnight. Suitcases I just emptied out. We are doing laundry like crazy, you guys. I think we've already done, how many loads do you think we've done today? Building Legos. Yeah.
4 at least.
4, and then I also had to do my sheets and 2 comforters, and each comforter was a load by itself. Kids are starting to put them away, eating, super healthy.
Building Legos.
Building Legos, they're happy. So this is the kitchen. Isabella's hiding, alrighty. I'm gonna clean all of this up. I'm gonna do this once I go to bed because I don't. It's pointless doing it now. There's the living room. You're hiding? Are you eating chicken?
I'm so hungry.
Have a chicken patty. It's homemade.
Why don't you eat a homemade chicken patty?
Eat a chicken patty.
You keep saying this. Can we eat a banana? I don't want to eat anymore.
Oh. She says I'm too much. I am. I'm gonna finish this. Okay, here are their rooms. Drew is a rock star. He's putting his clothes away.
So.
Yep. Here's my room. The sheets are off. We're trying to do laundry. I'm trying to put stuff away. I just put another load in from our trip and just put my bags away. I like to clean during the day, but if I'm being honest with you, it is easier for me to clean at nighttime because I clean throughout the day. Usually, like I pick up, but to like really clean, I need to, more times than not, I'll just do that at night when everyone's going off to bed. I'm gonna start doing it now. You got ranch? You got ranch on you?
Yeah.
Was it so good?
Yes.
Golly, you drink like daddy. Oh, let me give you your medicine. It looks so much better. Thank you, Drew. The kids are getting ready to be put to bed by Chris, so I went ahead and started to do the dishes. I noticed a lot of crumbs in the tray, so I'm going to use my vacuum right now to get all of that out. I'm also going to put some new wax in my Scentsy warmer. I am using Be Merry. This is the perfect scent for Christmas. So I have replaced using my all-purpose cleaner on my granite with the Method Daily Granite Cleaner. I like this better because I feel like it's gonna be more gentle on my granite so it lasts a really long time. And the fragrance is really nice and very light. I don't love putting the sheets on the bed, but I will tell you I love the way it feels when I get into the bed with clean sheets, so it is definitely worth it. Love you.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. I can see you in front of me. All I do is close my eyes, and you're just standing there with your perfect smile. Ooh, all I do is close my eyes. Ooh, it's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do.
I'm now going to give both my husband's sink and my sink a really good clean and wipe down right now. We just came back from out of town. It wasn't too terribly dirty, but it definitely needed to be done.
I thought we had it all. This is our story. It's written on the wall of what you did, what I did, meant more than a letter to each other. Go wipe out what's on my mind.
Tonight felt like a great night to go ahead and wash all of the blankets and pillow covers, so that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take everything off and put that in the wash. I will tell you that is one of my favorite things about pillow covers is you can really save money because you can buy ugly pillows and just put a cover, but then when they get dirty or they just kind of get dingy with stains, especially when you have so many kids like I do, you just throw them in the wash and it is like it is brand new.
Wasting this time that I borrowed, running too fast for the sun, and my eyes they still burn for tomorrow. Ooh. Wanna come alive. I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive, it's all for you. I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it. Why I'm alive.
Here is my command center. I need to clean this out now. I will link the video to this above. It has been an awesome little area for paper clutter, so definitely check out that video when you're done with this one. Okay guys, that is the end of this video. I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation. I hope it was also relaxing to you as well. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. I would love to have you join my little family, and I post videos like this every single week among all other motherhood lifestyle type of things. So I definitely don't want you to miss a thing. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!